Hi, I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the Transitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster forward-facing with the vehicle seatbelt. First, we're going to remove the headrest on the vehicle seat if your vehicle owner's manual allows it. Make sure that the lower anchor strap is properly stored. Unhook the tether strap from storage and place it over the back of the vehicle seat. We will attach it later. Make sure your car seat is flat on the vehicle seat with at least 80% of the base on the vehicle seat. Route the vehicle seat belt through the forward-facing belt path and buckle the seat belt. Make sure the belt lies flat and is not twisted. Lock the vehicle seat belt. In most vehicles, slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt to ensure it is locked. To tighten the vehicle seat belt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Extend the tether by pressing the button. Attach the tether strap and then tighten to remove all the slack. Test for tightness by placing your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch in either direction. If the seat moves more than an inch, press down on the center of the seat and remove more slack. Then retest for tightness. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.